I want you to have 3 free websites for life. No credit card needed, but you gotta take advantage while this limited time offer lasts. And of course, I'm talking about Groove Pages. Smashing, baby, yeah! What's happening, people? It's Eric the Tech Mind. Today, we're going to talk about Groove Pages some more. But Eric, I would love to use Groove, but I want to use my own custom domain. And I will show you how you can connect your custom domain to your Groove account. All right, well, let's get right to it. Let me share my screen and get logged in. We will get crack-a-lackling. So Groove is the all-inclusive software where you can replace all the other things that you are already using to run your online business and have them all working from one platform. Well, if you want me to be a one platform kind of guy, well, I say that's just groovy, baby, yeah. And right now they're still in beta, so they're still offering 3 full websites for free, and you don't even have to put a credit card in. It's groovy, baby. And it's great, and you can keep them for life. It is a limited time offer, so please keep that in mind. Now, I am a Groov affiliate, and I will include my link below. So if you use it, please know that I may earn a small commission from the sale. I'm going to show you how you can connect your custom domain to your Groov account. Now, once you get logged in, it will take you to your dashboard that looks like this. You're going to want to click your profile picture or your profile avatar in the top right. Go to my account. From here, you're going to click domains in the top right. We're going to click custom domain because that's what we're doing. Manage button right below. I haven't done it yet, so there's none here. So I'm going to click add a domain, this red button right here. I'm going to leave the settings as they are, the recommended. So just click next and voila. All right, here's where you can enter the domain that you would like to connect to Groov. So I'm going to go with my recently purchased ericthetechmind.com and click next here. So here is where they give you the name servers that you need to put wherever you purchase your domain. So for me, I purchased my domain through Namecheap, but I have it running through Cloudflare. I will need to copy these 2 name servers and paste them in my Cloudflare account. So depending on where you bought your domain, Namecheap, GoDaddy, HostGator, you'll need to go there into your domain settings and update the name servers with the ones they give you here. All right, so now we're just going to click the next button here. So after you've copy and pasted the 2 new name servers with your domain provider, you can click this button and it'll validate. But for time purposes, I'll do this later. And that's it. Your domain is now added successfully. Complete process. Smashing, baby, yeah! Now you can have your custom domain as your website instead of whatever it is, .groovepages.com. And Groov will host the website for you. Yes! Yes! Please sign me up for the most lucrative affiliate program out there. And yes, I want the all-inclusive software for the one low time price of $13.97. All right, well, just make sure you take advantage of it now because it is a limited time offer and it will be going away. Please keep in mind this is a limited time offer, so don't know how long this offer will last. So take advantage now. So yeah, you guys have fun with Groov. You got those 3 free websites to fool around with. Well, wait, don't go. I want to hear more. If you need any help, you can book a free tech strategy call with me. I'd love to hold your hand and walk you through some of this stuff. Oh, let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you would like to see, what problems you have, and what questions you would like me to answer. For example, like what tutorial videos would you like to see next? Make sure you hit the subscribe button right here and tell your friends about me. All right, God bless. Catch you later. Oh, behave. So get your 3 free. So get your 3 free websites for life while they still last, or buy the last piece of software that you'll ever need to buy.